Hey y'all, it's your girl Harris Janae back with another video. And wow, it feels so good to finally say this, y'all, but I'm back, okay? I know I've been gone for a minute, and today I just wanted to take y'all along with me while I wash my hair and catch up. So Dove sent me these products, and I'm using their Scalp Hair Therapy Hydrating Shampoo and also their conditioner because, baby, my scalp needed therapy, and I think I need a little bit of therapy too. I'm just saying. These products understood the assignment. I did start off with using their conditioner first. I did not show the process, but using the conditioner before my shampoo definitely helps with the whole process because my hair was so tangled. I really needed to detangle it first before applying shampoo. I love a product that actually says what it's gonna do and it does it, okay? So when it says hydrating shampoo, I am looking for a hydrating. I mean, the slip was amazing, so I really don't even know if I had to do the conditioner first, but it's okay though. So we're gonna go ahead and keep on continuing on. Now I'm gonna let y'all know something. This is a whole lot of suds. I did apply a little bit more than I probably should have, but it's okay. Now let's dive a little bit deeper, okay? So y'all, this video was, I think this video is like 3 months old. Yeah, Ben had posted this, y'all, but it is so hard, or it was so hard to film content, edit content, and all these different things while trying to keep up. Now, if you've been following along with me, I did post in my community post. You know, I really don't do that too much, but yeah, just go ahead and check it out. But I moved to Austin, Texas, and things just didn't go out the way that we've planned. Yeah, I was living in a hotel. I mean, a hotel. I was living in a hotel for maybe like 2 years. So y'all, I have been gone. Like, I have not posted long form video until now. Like, I'm starting to get more in the routine again. But y'all, it was so struggling. I was so depressed, stressed, and everything. Like, me and my husband and my children, we were all going through it. But I thank God that he allowed us to go through those things together as a family, and we came out even stronger. But yeah, check out that post if you want to get more in depth, if you want to be a little bit nosy. It's so crazy how life works because I'm trying to now look at things like things happen for a reason and it's all in timing. Again, I was supposed to have been posted this video, but here I am today sitting here in my new place doing this voiceover for this Dove Scalp Hair Therapy video. And it's just crazy how I'm using this video as a therapy moment, you know, and I'm just like, it's just crazy. I didn't think of it, but I'm just like, I don't know. I'm just in my head right now, but it's just crazy how life works. And y'all, this conditioner felt so good, by the way. I'm just going to throw that in there. Like, I really was loving it. Like, everything was just melting into place. How much hair that came out, and here I am just detangling. I didn't really have to do too much detangling because I already did that before I shampooed my hair, but I'm just showing y'all how well it's detangled as I run my fingers and my brush through it as well. By the way, I'm using this Sacred paddle brush. I'm just saying, they sent it to me as well, but yeah. If you've been wondering where I've been, that's basically where I've been. I've been growing, healing, rebuilding, learning to breathe again, okay? Now that life has calmed down, I'm stepping back into my routine, my creativity, and also my purpose. So I am excited to be back. I'm excited to create again. And I'm also excited to bring y'all along for this new chapter. I want to just let you know, thank you for watching me wash my hair while I also vent with you. If you're in your own season of starting over, just know that it's okay. It's going to be okay. Just keep going. Don't give up, because once you give up, it's over for you. And God is going to position you where you have no choice but to keep going. So your breakthrough always comes right on time. Just have to be patient, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.